Well, this is the aftermath of the snow. Look how high that snow is. That snow is high. Look at my gate. Look how high snow is. Look at that. Well, this is Winter Snowstorm 2015. Look how high that snow is. Whoa. It's pretty. Pretty. But it's high. So be careful, guys. Wherever you are going, be careful out there. All that snow. It's a lot of snow. A lot of snow. Okay, guys, I know the kids are going to enjoy this. My daughter, she's going to enjoy it, going outside. Look at my birds. They like it. Hey, Dove. Alright, guys. Enjoy.